Happy birthday, dear Sasha. 7 years old. Happy birthday to you. Blow 'em out, baby. Blow, make a wish.
One more time.
Come on, get in there.
Whoa.
Come on.
One
blow
more.
it
It
out again.
works.
Go again, come on. Wait, you can't blow?
Sasha, please go.
Boy, you can talk, but you can't blow up.
Connor, can you show her how to do this?
You gotta make yourself do it.
Are they trick candles? I don't think that they are.
They are.
They are.
You're the ones that come down.
Happy
The fire detector's gonna go off soon.
I'm sorry, Sasha. I'll have to look at the packaging.
Did you check that?
No. Okay.
Okay.